Holy.
What's good, you guys? So I'm in the elevator right now. I got the 6 Series keys here with me. I'm about to go take it for a drive right now. I don't even know if I'm gonna make this a video or not. But if I do, I'm gonna take you guys on a POV drive. I'm about to get some rollers.
Got the camera with me as well. Might try and get some pictures for the website. Look at how this bitch is sitting, you guys. Holy. This shit look good. Yeah, look at that thing. Show you the roof. And look at the ambient come to life. Sheesh. Yo, I love the interior lighting on this car, bro. Alright, you guys gonna start her? Let me check the tires before we head out. Feels straight. Let me check that. Thank you, bro. That shit on camera, bro. Getting compliments every day. This side don't feel that the best though. Alright, you guys, I haven't driven the car in like a week, so I'm just letting it warm up right now. Look how many codes I gotta go through. That's from coilovers, that's no TPMS, just to get to my camera. Alright, let me put the camera down and back out. And now I gotta do the most to get through this little tight ass entrance, bro. We gonna do it. Damn, that shit tight. God damn, the camera doesn't show up close to this, bro. That shit's tight. Alright, and so I can get out without going through any speed bumps. We gotta go through this do not enter real quick, so. For those of you guys wondering what 10% or 15% windshield tint looks like at night, that's what it looks like. First turn. God damn, my tint is black, boy. Damn, I can't see shit on the road. I might have to put the camera down and lock in for real. Holy. Stars look nice though. Guys, so right now we're on the way to the spot to take some pictures of the car. As you can see, my girl is taking rollers of me right now. So. This shit really cruises nicely though, because these main roads over here are pretty straight. So aside from like the occasional like little bump in the road, I don't even know what you call it. But my shit driving, can't even talk right now. My shit is driving good. 3 minutes away. This interior is too vibey, bro. Oh shit, I'm sleeping with the light.
Cause I never know where she waited out of my show. She want me to celebrate. Whipping that hoe in that Fendi. Yeah, I was looking for Benji. I had smoke at me street. Everybody thought they knew me, but bitch, she ain't even knew me. That's trying to do me.
Alright, you guys, so we just pulled up to the spot. The lighting here looks kind of nice. I'm not even gonna lie. Even on the GoPro, it's picking it up real nicely. But about to get some cinematic shots for you guys.
All of my friends dead, leave them in the cold, put them in the tundra. I go Ray Charles, how can I see her? I make her fumble. I was just in Texas with Aaliyah, pussy a jungle. They wanted this happens to be offset, but I told them I'm coming normal. When you play this shit with a white touch, young nigga like you in a form.
Alright, you guys, so we just finished up the photo shoot. I'm sure you guys will see some B-roll in this either before or after this clip. Yeah, we're gonna go get some more rollers now.
But before we head out, I'm gonna low-key check my tire pressures real quick. Oh shit, I almost tripped on that. I'm about to check my tire pressures real quick though, just because you can never be too safe. Plug this shit in.
Put 'em in the graveyard.
We're in business. Those on there. Oh shit, we're like 50 psi. I'm chilling. Big chilling in the front. Alright, let me check the back and then we'll switch sides. And the only reason why I'm doing this is because I didn't check it when we were leaving. So, might as well do it now just to be safe. Nobody's here bothering us. 45 psi in the back. Oh, so we're chilling. We didn't really lose any air. Can never have too much air. Decrease this. Alright, you guys, let me show you. I gotta make a U-turn of death to get out of here. And the entrance is chopped, so wish me luck. Let me see if I can just leave the camera here. Cause bro, this shit is hard as fuck to drive and record. Turn off this music. Look at my copyright strike. What is my girlfriend doing, bro? Yo, look at this entrance, you guys. That shit is shot. Let me show you guys outside. But okay, I guess you guys are gonna get my reaction. Me sending it out of here. Cool. Did not sound good, you guys. Smacked the whole side skirt. Put the hazard lights on so she get back in her car. Shout out to my girlfriend for taking all these rollers for me though. I ain't gonna lie. W Mary. What? Alright, you want me to rev it? Sheesh, that shit sounds good as fuck, you guys. I hate turning in this car. Look, I'm gonna hit a bump and fuck up my friend. Oh my god, camera. Stay camera. Bad camera. Alright, you guys, this shit's gonna keep falling because my dash is like slanted. Bro, I feel like I'm gonna smack some shit. I can barely see the road. High beams ain't even helping.
You gotta get high like me. I'm fucking these bitches, alright. I'm having my way, alright. My fingers stay motherfucking tight. My eyes are open and high. I can't believe I can die. I just realized I was high. I was 17.
Alright, drive a little bit more fast. Damn, loud ass bike, bro. Holy fuck. I hate those little line things that they put in the road, bro. Makes it feel like my wheels about to fall down. Oh, y'all heard that? Oh, I just hit a nasty fucking pothole. I couldn't see it because of the road. Fuck, bruh. Night rollers look so good, but the only thing is you can't see fucking dog shit at night. Holy, that shit sounded crazy. Hold up. Let's slow down for these manholes. I ain't gonna lie. W. Look at Mary getting these rollers, bro. W girlfriend. Light turn green. I be forgetting I got paddles in this shit. Cause Mary shit don't got no paddle. Yo, I hate when niggas drive on my ass. Like, but buddy, I have a stance car. I ain't going nowhere fast. At least not on this road. Alright, let me put the camera down. Yo, your car sounds like shit. Your car sounds like ass, bro. Oh my god. Get that fucking V6 muscle car out of here, bro. Your shit sounds so bad, bro. Holy. Alright, let me get some good rollers though.
My bitch got body, yeah, my bitch got body, yeah, my bitch got body. She rich like I had you now. Get it better. Travel the world. On tour with your girl. It's not my world. Molly world.
Alright, you guys, this is the fucking speedboat that everybody's seen on IG. Oh, I gotta fucking send it over. Fuck. Holy fuck, you guys. This just sounded crazy. See, but when I get back home, it's pretty chill. Going this way, because I'm not going down do not disturb. Alright, this is kind of tight, but New York has been tighter for me, so. Bro, I swear, driving in New York City gives you the best driver mod, bro. Alright, let me park this bitch. Camera never want to stay, but y'all about to watch me park this bitch. Low key, I gotta turn this shit around like 8 fucking times, bro. Fuck. But it's worth it. Put a fit in. I hope I'm getting a good camera angle right now. I don't even know. Let me check the front bumper, bro. It should low. I don't want to hit nothing. Alright, we're Gucci. Alright, so let me turn off the car, roll up the windows. Damn, bro. Ambient lighting be so bright in here, bro. Hold up. Gotta put away all the camera gear and shit before we head out. Yo, my favorite thing about this interior is we wired everything to like the power windows, so that way the starlights, all the ambient, everything you guys see stays on even when the car's off. Even if I lock the car, it stays on for like another like 4 or 5 minutes. So that's a little pro tip for all you guys that do starlights out there. If you don't want it to just come on when you turn on the ignition, it's a better way to do it. Let me show you what the car looks like after that speed bump. Just so y'all know, it should stay clean. The side skirt on the other side might have popped out, but that ain't nothing you can't fix. Oh no, side skirt's still in. What big toe. Fenders, everything bushy. Front bumper good, yup. But I'm not gonna lie, every time I come home I do a little walk around because it sounds crazy going over that speed bump. Alright, we'll see you again in another week. Maybe sooner, who knows. Alright, you guys, that's gonna wrap up this video. Unfortunately, my girlfriend wasn't feeling well, so we cut the second stop short and just head back here. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little, I guess, short little POV. I don't even know if I'm gonna post this, but if I do, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out.